welcome to our channel. Be sure to click that like button right away, and you guys please check out our new Patreon page. Every little bit helps. We would love to provide you with more awesome videos, so please support us to make this crunchy unicorn slime. And please subscribe to our channel. Help us get to 120,000 subscribers. Thanks, everyone. So we're gonna grab some clear glue. Now I get my glue from Michael's, and if you guys haven't been there lately, they have just exploded with the amount of glue because of the slime craze. So it's pretty fun to check out how much glue they have now. I am going to add some glitter just for fun. This is totally optional. If you don't have it, don't go out and buy it. It's all good. So just some fine glitter, and then I also had this cute star glitter. The bigger glitter actually does add a little bit more texture to your slime, and sometimes depending on it, it can also be crunchy. So here I'm making my borax solution. Yes, I use borax to make slime because I feel like I get the best results doing that. This is 1 cup of warm water and half a teaspoon of borax. You want to make sure that you're really careful with the measurement of the borax, because even 1 teaspoon can drastically change how your slime turns out. So I'm just going to start off with a little bit, so 2 teaspoons of the solution, and I'll just carefully mix it in. If you've never made slime before, you want to be a little bit patient. You don't just want to pour it in and then keep pouring it in if it doesn't work. So you want to make sure you stir it around and keep waiting if necessary. So this is what my slime looks like after kneading it just for a little bit. It doesn't take too long, and I'm pretty happy with how it's pretty stretchy, and I don't mind that it's actually sticky, because then I know that the crunchy things that I'm going to put in will stick a little bit better. If the stickiness does bother you even after you've put in those little pellets, you can definitely add a little bit more borax solution. I wanted a deeper blue, so I'm just going to add a little bit of food coloring. If you're careful, you can actually do this without it getting onto your fingers, but again, this is totally optional. I am doing this purely for aesthetics purposes, so it comes across on the video. Okay, so once that is all mixed in, I'm definitely loving this color a lot more. So again, you can do this or not, it is totally up to you, but I really like this color, so happy I did it. And now we get to make the slime crunchy. So to make my slime crunchy, I'm using this decorative fillers, and I got this at Michael's, and it's just these little plastic pellets. So I'm just going to put some on my table here, and I'm just going to dab my slime into it, and I find this I don't know if it's like the easiest or just like the most effective way of getting it in there so that they don't fly everywhere. And it's kind of fun, so you can just dab, dab, dab. Alright, so check this out. I love how it looks. This to me looks exactly like some sort of blue raspberry snow cone, and just so yummy. So of course it's not, so we're just going to mix up our slime, and you're welcome to add as much as you would like of these little pellets. Alright, so definitely happy with how this turned out, so let's move on to the pink slime. Once you have your glue in place, add that glitter, and just so you know, in case you are looking for glitter, you can also get this at Michael's, and they have everything you could want in terms of glitter. So they have like these little sample packs that I buy, which is kind of nice because you don't have to buy too much glitter, but it's just these little pouches. So here's one of those pouches that I was just talking about. So this one has the glitter that's a little bit more textured, so I believe these are little hearts, and it definitely adds a little bit more crunch to the slime when you're, playing with it, in addition to the plastic pellets. What I like about this pink slime is the fact that between the 2 different types of glitter, I don't even have to add food coloring. I'm really happy with the color in itself. So let's turn this into slime. So again, starting with just 2 teaspoons of my borax solution, and we'll just go from there. We'll just slowly keep adding it and kneading it until we have, the desired texture that we want for our slime. Okay, so once you've made some pretty awesome slime, it is time to turn it crunchy. So here's a close-up of these decorative fillers, as they call them, and just sprinkle them on there. And just for fun, here are some cute little snow cones. If you don't recognize them, I use those coffee K-cups. I thought it'd be a good little recycling initiative, and they're perfect for these little snow cones. So one pink, one blue, and of course let's mix these together to see what they look like. And I just think this stuff is the coolest stuff ever. Crunchy slime. It doesn't get any better than that, you guys. Alright, so now let's check the glow-in-the-dark crunchy slime, because it's always so fun to figure out what we can make glow-in-the-dark, because, you know, why not? Unfortunately, that is the only picture that I took, so I'll have a little clip at the end, but not really sure what I was thinking there. So I am using clear glue. It doesn't really matter, though. I'm pretty sure, I think a while ago I used white glue, and it definitely doesn't glow in the dark as well. So if you had to pick one or the other, I definitely would recommend clear glue. I would like to make this look like a neon green. I probably should have added more food coloring. You'll see towards the end, because you have to add this paint, which is kind of white looking, and yeah, I would just add more color if I were you. So stir this up. That was your glow-in-the-dark paint. You can add as much or as little as you like. Obviously, the less you have, the less it's going to glow in the dark, but just remember that the more you add, the consistency is going to change quite a bit. Like, obviously you don't want your slime to be all paint, or else it just won't even work. So just be careful with that. I'm going to add glitter. Not that you can really see it after you stir it in, but it's always so fun to have that little twinkle, sparkle come through. Okay, once you have everything all stirred up, you're going to grab your borax solution, and remember that's 1 cup of warm water for every half a teaspoon. And so just add it slowly again, and you know, don't be surprised if this does require a little bit more of your borax solution based on the paint, or maybe not. I don't know, it really depends. Oh, there I go, adding more food coloring because I wanted the color to be darker. Alright, once you have your slime, let's turn this stuff crunchy. So grab your little crunchy pellets and add it in however you want. Just a warning that this stuff can get pretty messy if it gets everywhere. So, you know, just try to get it stuck to that slime right away. And it actually stays in pretty good. I've made slime with Orbeez, I've made slime with foam, and this stuff actually sticks in pretty good. So I was pretty impressed. Alright, I'm having lots of fun adding these little teeny tiny plastic crunchy pellets. This is such a cool texture. It may not look that pretty, I don't know, it kind of looks like this weird sort of, I don't know, I guess you could say it's slimy color. I wish it was a little bit more vibrant, but that's okay. Still looks good, feels good. I'm excited to see it glow in the dark. Alright, let's check this slime out in the dark. And there we have it. Now it's hard to catch this on camera, but it really does glow in the dark. It's just with the camera you only get it for about a split second, and then you have to turn back on the lights and try again. So it does work, and I'm trying to catch it here by turning on and off the lights. But I'm actually quite happy. So if you go into a dark room and your slime has lots of light prior to it, it should definitely work just fine. Well, that's it for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my crunchy unicorn slime and my glow-in-the-dark crunchy slime. I really hope you guys give this a try, and if you do, make sure that you guys comment and let me know how it went, or just comment and let me know what you guys think about this slime. And please make sure you subscribe. We're really trying hard to get to 100,000 subscribers. So exciting. So thanks so much for coming to watch this video, and make sure that you guys stay tuned for more. Thanks, everyone.